Hi, I'm Kate. I'm a Year 2 Biomedical Science student here at UB Bristol. When I was packing for university, I packed as soon as I got my acceptance letter and knew what accommodation I was moving into, which was roughly around the 13th of August, and I was moving in on the 12th of October. So you do not need to pack this early. You probably should make a list of essential things that you'll need to take to uni or buy to bring to uni, and then start buying and packing those things roughly 3 to 4 weeks before you move in. This means you have enough time to think of a few things that you might not have originally thought of and buy them before you get to uni. I wish I brought a first aid kit with me, because the amount of times that I needed like a plaster or some paracetamol or like antiseptic cream was actually stupid. So I definitely should have brought one of those. I'm so accident prone. Yeah, I needed one a lot, so bring one of those. Utility wise, in Student Village, you're given a kettle and a microwave. So if you like toast, bring a toaster. You can either buy one with your flatmates, or you can do what we did and someone can bring an old one from home. You will also need to bring your own pots and pans, and some knives and cutlery and crockery, the essentials. We all had our own pots and pans last year. It made it really easy to like cook individual meals, because none of us really cooked together because we all liked different foods and we all had different dietary requirements. So you should probably invest in a good set of pots and pans. It's probably better to buy a better set so that they don't end up breaking on you like halfway through the year. Also, they're a really good investment that you will probably have for the next 10 to 15 years of your life. So splash some cash on your pots and pans. But things like knives, we had a block of knives that we just shared. Someone brought them from home. We just shared that block. You don't need more than one block of knives. Make sure you bring things like glasses, mugs, and just think about all the little things that you use in your day-to-day life that you probably wouldn't think of if someone said, what do you use every day? Things like, making tea in the morning, so tea bags and the mug to go with said tea. You should all try and figure out what cleaning products you want to bring or buy together as a flat. So write a list before you move in, so when you get to uni, you can all just go to B&M and buy your cleaning products. Also, if you can, bring some kind of entertainment system for your living space. I know in Walls Court they get a TV, but in Student Village we didn't get one in our living space. So if you can bring one from home or maybe buy one all together as a flat, I would definitely recommend doing that. So you can watch films together in the evening, or bring some kind of console so you can all play a game on the TV like in the evening to hang out. It's a really good way to bond with your flatmates and form some actual friendships. I brought my Nintendo Switch and somebody brought a TV, and we all played Monopoly for like 5 hours. It was great. We all got to know each other really well just by this simple thing that didn't cost anybody any more money. Also, make sure you figure out what size your bed is before you get there, so you can buy bed sheets in advance. They're fitted bed sheets. If you have a single bed but you have a double bed at home like I did, you'll need to buy fitted sheets. And you'll also need to buy a new duvet, because duvets are not provided by the uni. I bought a double one because I thought the chances of having a double bed in second year were going to be quite high. Having a double bed worked out well. But I also had a double bed at home, so I had loads of bed covers that were already double sized, so I just bought a double set and it worked out okay. It was really great for in the winter too, because I get really cold and just wrap myself up in this massive duvet for my single bed, so that was great. So your bathrooms as well, I would recommend getting the little baskets with suction cups, so you can just stick them on the walls. Obviously no damage, so not going to affect your deposit. But yeah, you can stick these on the wall, you can put whatever in them, whether it's your shower stuff, like all your cleaning products for your bathroom. They are a lifesaver and they're like £3 in B&M, so just buy one. So thank you for watching this short little video on what to bring with you to your accommodation. And if you have any more questions or concerns, just head over to the UB accommodation pages, find your chosen accommodation, and there's sure to be a list on there of any additional things that you may need to bring, or just any other information that you might want to know.